Everyone is you pushed out. And you must be wondering, really it is true? Is it manipulation? Or what is this? Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rafat. I am certified life and success coach. Well, I love to hear your comment. So I love to have a conversation with you. That's why I have my private Facebook group ready. There will be a lot of help available there and guidance there as well. I will add the link below so you can join my Facebook group. So today's video is everyone is you pushed out. You must have heard this word over the internet going around, and you must be wondering that what it's all about and where it come from. It basically came from one of the Neville Goddard's lecture, and he explained it very well, and he gave a detailed concept. What does it mean? And we are going to discuss this concept in detail. So let's dissect this paragraph now. Here Neville Goddard is saying the whole vast world is yourself pushed out. All that you behold, though it is appear without, it is within, and your own wonderful human imagination, of which the world mortality is but a shadow. Neville Goddard. So in this paragraph, first line, you can clearly see he's saying the whole vast world is yourself pushed out. It means we assume about something, we think about something, our thoughts, feelings, beliefs, and our assumption, they goes out. You project out your thought. It means first your assumptions, law of assumption, and then your projection, law of projection, it goes out, and then law of attraction, it gives you the photocopy. Basically your assumptions, they getting back to you in the form of a photocopy. You getting a photocopy of your thoughts basically. And that's what it means. Everything is you pushed out. The way you think about, for example, your job, the bosses and the colleagues, they are not treating you well. That is because you assume them to be like this. I know that it doesn't mean that you want it like this, but in a deep down inside your guts and feeling, you must be thinking bad about the people. You're thinking your bosses and other people to be not good with you. So that is your assumption, and the same for the your specific person. If you're thinking about them, the way they're treating you, way they manage a breakup, and if they are looking for someone else, this is your assumption. Because, for example, if your SP is looking at his phone, you assume something. You might have assumed that he must be thinking, or maybe listening, or listening to someone else, or seeing someone else text. So your assumption, they go out and they're creating your reality. And other person, it is simply photocopying your thoughts. So you don't have to take my words. What you have to do, try it yourself. Like whatever the assumption you are making about people, you change your assumption and be consistent with it. And the base of all these things which I mentioned, law of assumption, then projection, and then law of attraction, is your self-concept. And Neville Goddard talk a lot about self-concept. Whatever you have self-concept about yourself, like if you think you are lovable, you are wonderful lady, you are worth having a relationship, you are perfect for your job, then that's what you are getting from other person. And if you are not thinking all these things, then you will be assuming the other reality and the other people. You are projecting your thoughts on other people, and you will be getting those thoughts back to you in the form of your reality. And you think, oh, this person is not nice to me, and this happened to me, poor me. No, this does not work like that. So in next paragraph, he's saying, all that you behold, though it appear without it. Because we think that our reality is so true, we are so much focused on our reality, we totally forget that these are our thoughts and our feelings. They are creating our reality. So next he's saying here, your own, this is it is within you, your own wonderful human imagination, of which the word mortality is but a shadow. So whatever your imagination is, like whatever you're thinking, feeling and believe, again, then your word is simply a collection, simply a shadow of that. So that was the Neville Goddard's concept. Everyone is you pushed out. So you don't have to take my words. You go out and try it yourself and write down in a comment section below. Let me know the result, because I know I have tried this concept in my life many times and it works. However, but there is a big but. You have to be consistent, because what we human beings do, in the morning we affirm something, we assume something, and rest of the day we doubt on our own assumption. We doubt, we start complaining, and because when we doubt and complain, we cancel out our thoughts there and then. And what is happening, like consistency is a key. So you have to be consistent about your own words and your own affirmations and thought. And that is basically the secret behind you have to be consistent, and no matter what is the reality, because we human beings, we consume so much on our current reality. We say, oh, this is and we want everything right, like a really there and then. So I am not saying that it takes always a time. If you are consistent and if you are really determined about your thoughts, then you create a result pretty fairly quickly. So you have to be consistent. Number one, you have to be consistently and watch your words and be really mindful about your thoughts and assumption about people. Even just at the work, assume something about your bosses or colleagues. Think about something good in you want them to do. Assume something you want them to do and see the result. But again, be consistent. Do not doubt. Just keep doing it, or totally forget about the reality. What is the current situation? And I don't want to hear that you telling me, oh, but my current situation is like this and like this and this. Assume, be consistent, and imagine that person is saying you the same thing, and then let me know the result and write down in the comment section below. I love to hear your comments, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.